I hope all of you are doing good and great. So in this video, as you've seen, that we are going to create a chatbot, and the chatbot will be created in a very short number of lines using Google Colab first, and then in the Visual Studio Code, and also I'll deploy this in my Hugging Face portal profile. So let me start creating this. First thing, let's install Gradio. So once that installs, let's wait. Then after that I have only 2 lines of code to create the chatbot, and that chatbot will work. And I am going to use Mistral-7b 7 billion instruct model from Hugging Face. So yeah, so these are the lines of code I'm going to use. Let's see. And to just grant access to Hugging Face, because this is going to be get the model from Hugging Face. As you can see, I'm getting this chatbot immediately. I have not done anything extra, only a 2-liner of code and one downloading these Gradio dependency. So I'll write down that what is 2 plus 2 plus 3, press enter, give me a lot of answers, 5, 5, 5, and all the possibilities as well. So means it gives me some extra answers as well. So I'll say there's something else. What is generative AI? What is generative AI? So I'll get, seems like that half answer, and then again I'll do this multiple times until it will not stop generating more. So you can see that I've got the answers in just a minutes, in just a seconds. I say how much seconds is less than a second. I've got this. So this one is done as in Gradio. So I'll let me go and do it in in Visual Studio Code, and I have already created my Visual Studio Code open, and I have already created one for, means I have to create one file first, requirements dot txt. Inside this I have to just do mention Gradio. Second file, as you know, it's app.py. Copied my line, paste my line. Now go to terminal, same exercise, pip ins. Okay, I'll create a one file requirement.txt here, readme dot file here as well, because it's good for us to do that. MD file, and I'll create first conda create my environment, say gradio venv -p gradio. Let's see, I'll get this environment, yes. Then let me copy this here, paste it here. My environment has been created, and then let me activate. Let me activate this environment. My environment has been activated. Now I'll write down pip install -r requirements.txt. Let me go to my other bash terminal. So let's activate and then pip 3 install -r requirements.txt. I hope I'll get this file done. So for me, since I'm using Mac, I have to do pip. I could do pip install Gradio as well. I am doing this because I have to do this file. I have to save this file in same file I'll copy, or same file I have to copy in my Gradio as well. So in your system you might need this file. So it is done. Now only the thing is I have to do python app.py. My application has been launched. The model is ready. What is generative AI? Then let's see how much time it takes for us. Gain. I got the answer. Answer could be different, depends on the system to systems, and it's you cannot predict any answers would be same for two times in the generative or any model of in generative AI. So this is done. Now third case I'll do here in Hugging Face. Create a file, create a space. I say Gradio -QA. License I say MIT Gradio, and then create a space. Okay, go to files, create one file, give a name to requirement.txt, requirements.txt, and then you have to say that Gradio, just save it, create another file, give it name as app.py, and copy your code from app.py to here, and then just commit. Now if you will see, I'll have that chatbot in third place in just a two-liner code, and it's working fine well. So this is just a Q&A, means you will ask the question, it will give the answer. It is not that you will have to it will not keep the memory or anything. It's just giving an answer whatever question you are asking. So let's wait, and once that will be provisioned or this application will be deployed, and we can just do a test one of the testing. Since it is fetching the model, done, application is done. Go to my application, my Gradio QA is ready. It's coming. First time might be taking time because of that model size. So let me open and show you that model size as well. So let me go here, just refresh it, and in Hugging Face search for model, and in the model I'll put this name. This is the model I'm using. So these are the files, or these are the specification for this model. Not sure why it is taking time. Should be provisioned by now. Maybe I'm moving here and there, that is the reason. Oh, it's ready. Now, what is generative AI? Question, submit, 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 submit. So this one is also ready. So see how easy it is to provision and Chatbot QA using Mistral 7b. I hope you like this video. Please share it, subscribe it, and like it. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Please share with your friends and colleagues.